What's going on, you guys? This is Aaron from Departures Capital, and welcome to the video. In this video, we're talking about an exciting new company to the channel, and that company is called Perimeter Medical. Now, Perimeter Medical is a Toronto-based company with U.S. headquarters in Dallas, Texas, that is developing with plans to commercialize advanced imaging tools that allow surgeons, radiologists, and pathologists to visualize microscopic tissue structures during a clinical procedure. So it's an interesting healthcare technology company. And in this video, we're simply going to be introducing the company, talking about what they do, going over some interesting articles, and taking a look at this stock chart simply in the overview introductory format. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the comments about this company. And also, for full disclosure details, this is a sponsored video, so check the description down below for full disclosure details, along with thoroughly reading our disclaimer and always remembering that these videos are not financial advice. So with that being said, guys, I bring you Perimeter Medical. Also, don't forget to hit that like button if you appreciate these types of videos, company introductions, along with hitting the subscribe button and the bell for notifications on future videos, and drop us a comment down below. So let's get into it, guys. The first thing we're going to talk about is, in fact, the stock. So you can find them traded on the TSX Venture under ticker symbol PINK, or simply PINK. As we can see, the company has a 52-week low of $1.46 and a 52-week high of $4.84. So as of the time of recording, which was March 25th, that is Thursday, the stock closed at $4.32. So it has had a very nice run over the past couple months, with this similar pattern that we've seen of the stock running up, pulling back a little bit, setting new highs, pulling back a little bit, setting new highs, pulling back a little bit. And right now, where we sit, it seems to have pulled back a little bit. We'll see where it goes, but it could potentially be in for a rebound. So the company does have a market cap of just under $200 million, and that is data pulled from investing.com. So let's head on over to their website, and that's perimetermed.com. So gain a new perspective. So here's some of their products: optical coherence tomography. Packed with advanced technology and intuitive functionality, the Perimeter Optical Coherence Tomography system is designed to examine tissue microstructures during surgical procedures. Perimeter's platform provides cross-sectional, real-time margin visualization with image review manipulation software that allows you to identify and annotate microscopic tissue structures. So you can find more information about the company on their website, but I do want to go to this really interesting article that basically sums up what the company does, and it talks a little bit about the industry. It's from streetsignals.com. This company's disruptive imaging technology could drastically reduce the need for breast cancer reoperations. Perimeter Medical's imaging AI's one-of-a-kind imaging technology could transform breast cancer surgery by giving physicians real-time imaging of the affected tissue during the operation. So as we know, this is a big issue. Breast cancer is now the most common cancer in the world, with over 2 million diagnosed last year. For those who have undergone surgery and chemo, they aren't fully in the clear. Due to lack of high-resolution imaging systems, a physician may miss some part of the tumor during surgery, thereby increasing the likelihood that the patient will have to undergo a reoperation. A whopping 25% of those who undergo lump removal, the first surgery won't be enough and they will have to be operated on again. Luckily, a medical breakthrough could help dramatically improve the outcomes of these patients' surgeries, thanks to Perimeter Medical's imaging AI's one-of-a-kind imaging system, which provides 100 times more resolution than an MRI and 10 times greater resolution than an ultrasound. Physicians should be able to carry out breast cancer surgeries with real-time, high-resolution imaging. Perimeter Medical imaging could be the change this industry desperately needs. So Perimeter Medical's device platform, disruptive technology comprised of 4 key components: Perimeter's OTC imaging console, Perimeter's tissue immobilizing system, single-use consumables, Perimeter's proprietary image library, Atlas, Perimeter's proprietary AI, IMG Assist. So let's talk about the company when they went public. So in July 2020, Perimeter Medical Imaging AI went public through a private placement offering and reverse takeover of New World Resource Corp. Perimeter raised $9.4 million with potential future proceeds of $13.5 million from the exercise of associated warrants. Perimeter's previously announced accelerated warrants have been successfully exercised, adding over $7 million to the balance sheet, which will help to contribute the company's sales efforts. So now in this article, let's go over the 6 reasons Perimeter Medical is transforming breast cancer surgery. So number 1, FDA clearance. FDA cleared patented specimen imaging system based on proven optical coherence tomography, OCT, technology and validated by world-class key opinion leaders. Number 2, growing body of intellectual property. So currently has 4 issued patents with another 5 pending approval in the US and internationally. Number 3, experienced team, management team, board of directors, and scientific advisory board with medical device knowledge, breast cancer expertise, M&A experience, and much more. Number 4, smart tools, artificial intelligence, AI, machine learning tools in development to assist surgeons in the operating room in real time. Number 5, well capitalized, approximately 9.1 million in cash and cash equivalents, and 2.9 million in investments as of September 30th, 2020. Number 6, immediately addressable market for the product. The market for its OCT system is estimated to be worth $3.7 billion. So let's take a quick look at other medical device companies that have developed breakthrough technologies. Reveals just how big of an upside potential Perimeter could have. So let's compare it to a few of the other companies. We'll go by market cap. So there's multiple companies in the billions of dollars, and then we have a couple here at the end in the hundreds of millions. So take a look at this article, go a little bit more in depth. I highly encourage you guys to always do your own research and due diligence when it comes to investing. Doesn't matter what company it is. This video is simply just an introduction and it's not financial advice, but take a look at this article if you are interested in learning a little bit more about the company and what they do. Also, their website, their investor tab. So now we're going to talk how Perimeter's disruptive technology could save lives and the U.S. health system over $500 million annually. Perimeter's optical coherence tomography system, or OCT in short, is an FDA-cleared, patented specimen imaging system based on proven OCT technology and validated by world-class key opinion leaders. How does this work? OCT uses wide-field optical coherence tomography to provide multidimensional tissue structure imaging up to 2 millimeters below the surface at 6.5 to 15 micron level resolution. This technology uses near infrared light and the principle of light scattering to distinguish cancer cells by virtue of their highly scattering nucleus to cytoplasm density compared to adipose cells. OCT provides an intraoperative solution to margin assessment within the operating room. Essentially, during breast cancer surgery, a rim of normal tissue, the margin surrounding the tumor, is surgically removed to determine whether all the tumor has been removed. This gives surgeons the ability to act on positive margin, meaning there are cancer cells in the margin, and remove additional tissue while the initial surgery is ongoing, thus eliminating the need for a re-excursion surgery weeks later. So finally, we're going to take a look at their business model. So capital average selling price of $150,000, consumable average sales price of $750, services average sale price 10% of the capital. So 500 US hospitals performing greater than 100. So as we can see, it's a pretty big market for this product. The last thing we're going to take a look at is their team, specifically their Chief Executive Officer, Jeremy Sobota. Sobota has plenty of experience and a track record of success in the medical device space with deep expertise in go-to-market models across a variety of payer-provider environments. He was responsible for deploying over $4 billion in capital for strategic M&A in medtech and led the financing for Stryker's surgical business unit. From 2008 to 2019, he held roles of increasing responsibility at Stryker, including internal audit, finance transformation, commercial excellence, financial planning and analysis, and ultimately leading finance for their surgical business unit. He was also the former controller of the orthopedics division of Smith and Nephew. So many, many years in the industry, guys. You can take a look at the rest of the team. Seems to be a highly experienced team. But anyways, that's it for the introduction. Once again, I always encourage you guys to do your own research and due diligence, and always remember, this is a sponsored video. So check the description down below for full disclosure details, along with thoroughly reading our disclaimer and always remembering that these videos are not financial advice. So with that being said, that's it for the video. Drop me some comments down below. Let me know what you think about the company. We're out of here. Always remember Departures Capital and Departures stocks are for information, education, and entertainment purposes only. Don't buy or sell a stock because you heard it on here. Buy or sell a stock because you've done your research, you've done your thorough due diligence, and you're making your own personal investment decisions for yourself. This video is not financial advice. We'll see you guys in our next video.